Got an update on our 9000 series Gudgeon rear frame packages. So this is a 90/30 scraper style heavy duty taper bearing, heavy duty spindle, and heavy duty rear frame. The rear frame is considered heavy duty because it accepts a Cat 5 drawbar and it's reinforced so you could put a rear frame kit on it without bending your fenders. So if you have a 9000, 90/20, or even a 90/30, this is what you would get if you had to buy new. So if you had a major failure, your Gudgeon gets into your rear frame, ruins your spindle, ruins your sealing area, where your seal won't seal and keep dirt out, this is what you'd have to have. So 3 pieces are $35,000 plus $5,000, which includes bearings, seals, and labor to assemble, gives you a base price of $40,000 for a new. So we can save you money a couple different ways. If they are good used, then we can sell them good used. If they need to be rebuilt, we go ahead and rebuild them, where all of our prices would be based off of this $40,000. And then we would have some older versions that would be less, they're less desirable, let's say. So those would be less money for you. So the main point is that we don't always have everything, but helping you understand that, giving us what's your goal, right? And if your goal is just to spend as least amount of money as possible, then we have a direction. But you can't get top shelf and the least amount, if that makes sense. So all of our stuff on these we don't really split them up anymore. We do have some older stock that we'd be glad to sell, but going forward, this is how we've been selling them for a year or so. And the guys that buy them really like it. They can do it in their own shop. They don't have to take it to dealers, and they don't have the tools to do the setup, so it works out for them. We get the core back. We've been using old stock to fix the cores when we can, and then once that's gone, this will be the way we sell them. So we've got these we do have some still in stock for the 9000, 90/20, and then we have more for the 90/30 and the 9R. And 9R IT4 is specific because of the rear fenders, and then the 9R FT4 is a different design change, but the concept is still all the same, and the price points are pretty close. So if you got questions, give us a call and we'd be glad to help you out.